Hey guys, it's your coach Felicia, and welcome to day 4 of your Boss Lady Academy, or Boss Man. But today we're going to talk about inviting. Now, I know I talked about it briefly in the video before that in the viral behaviors, but because inviting is such a big part of our job as a coach, I think it deserves a little bit more explanation so that you can go out and reach your goals. So basically, when we invite, we're inviting to 2 different types of events. We're inviting to our fitness boot camps, or we're inviting to join our team. A lot of people focus more on inviting to join your boot camps because they find that easier. But if you want to grow your business like fast, I suggest that you learn how to do both and invite not only to the boot camp, but also invite to your business. Invite people to join you as a coach. Now let's break down the difference between the two. So your fitness bootcamp is where you're going to help your customers get results using our products and Shakeology, our programs and Shakeology. Whether you're a man or a woman, you're going to decide which program that you have used yourself so that you can help them. And that's what I do. I usually recommend programs that I have used myself. So I usually like to do 21 Day Fix or 80 Day Obsession, because those are the 2 programs that I've had the greatest results with, and I want other people to have good results, so I would recommend those 2 anything. So that's how you do it. You choose programs that you yourself have had success with, and then you help your clients get a transformation like you have or got. Okay, so that's what you do for the boot camp. Now you're going to get a script, and your script is going to help you to move the customer along to the finish line or the checkout line so that you can add them to your group. There is a thing called a share cart, which I forgot to show you in the first part, which would have been helpful though. But anywho, share cart is something that will help you to set up your customers' purchase so that they feel safe purchasing from you, because you're going to get all their information. You're going to find out what program they want, what Shakeology flavor they would like, or what add-on or anything, and then you're going to set it up, and then you're going to send it to them through an email of their own where they can open the email and make the purchase through a secured site that way. So that's share cart, and you're going to want to learn more about that so that you can use it in your business, and that will help you with inviting for your fitness group. Now, inviting for your coaching, you're going to be sharing your coaching journey, and then that's going to help you get coaches. Now you can have a mix of coaches. You can have different coaches. You can have discount coaches. You can have team building coaches. You can have hobby coaches. It's a bunch of different ways that people coach depending on their availability, their lifestyle, why they wanted to do the business in the first place is how they're probably going to work the business once they get in. So you're going to find out all those details before they enroll, so that you know how to help them. And so those are the two ways that we invite. Those are the two different styles that you invite. So one is for your boot camp, and one is for your business. And I have different postings for each one that I can share with you, and I'll help you work on how you want to post about each thing, so that you can get a good results from sharing about it. A lot of people share about like an equivalent, instead of like if they haven't reached like the goal that they want. So say that you want to go get to diamond, but you're still at coach level, and you're making money, but you're not making a lot of money. So you're trying to figure out a way to share about your coaching experience. So if you earned, let's say you earn like $100 this week because you helped a couple people. So you can say that the $100 that I earned from coaching this week, I was able to buy groceries for my family. So people like to see like a tangible way. They like something tangible. Sorry. They like something to see something tangible, to compare, to see why they would be interested in doing that. Because $100 to somebody that's living paycheck to paycheck, that you're getting extra on top of what you're already earning, is pretty darn good. So sharing a tangible thing, like whatever you use your Beachbody money to pay for or to get. I used it to get a new pair of sneakers last week. I used it to pay my cell phone bill. I used my Beachbody money to pay my car payment. So tangible things like that help people relate. So that's something that you want to use when you're talking about coaching. Okay, guys, so that's inviting in a nutshell. Just wanted to give you a little bit more deeper insight on it. Like I said, it's one of the major vital behaviors. It's number 2. Don't skip it, because if you don't invite, then you don't have a business. And you got into this pretty much to grow business, so you have to invite. So don't be scared. Let's do this together and get you out there. Alright, guys. Talk to you later.